I just love the way the guitars mix with each other in this Oliver Mtukudzi song. Check this out. Okay, so let's start with the acoustic guitar. First thing, capo on 2nd fret, and then the parent chords are G, C, back to G, and then D. So that's the chord progression is called a 1-4-1-5 or a Chamtenguri chord progression. But as always in Africa, we don't usually play chords like that, strumming everything like that. We make nice melodies out of it. So this is how he's playing the G, and you'll notice that in all the chords there's something called a pedal tone. So that's a tone that keeps repeating in all the chords. You see how it goes. So let's start with G. You play strings number. So can you see I'm playing 6-1, 3-1, 2-1, 3-1. That 1 keeps repeating. That's the pedal tone I'm talking about. And then the next is a C. So normal C, but with that pedal tone, which is on the 3rd fret there. So it goes like strings number 5, 4, 3, 2. Remember that pedal tone keeps on being there. When you go to the 2nd string, you do a pull off, and then you just leave that pedal tone there, right? And then you play strings number 4, 3, 2, 3. So from top is like this. And then C. And then that G with a pedal tone. So it's like 4, 3, 2, 3, and then you do, and then you play this chord. This chord is called a D7 sus4. So and then you play the pedal tone with strings number 4, 3, 2, 3. That's the whole thing. And then again, let's do magic. Is the electric guitar. So again, everything is based on 4 chords. Let me just get my capo here and I'll show you how it works. So remember on the Sungura episode when I said you could play the same thing on 2 different positions of the guitar. So let's say you put a capo here. Check this out. C, my left back to C, G. Okay, so check this out. Starting from C, strings number 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 4, and then you go to F, and then you play. So that's almost like you're trying to copy a marimba or a mbira instrument. So you mute the strings where you put a little bit of flesh from the palm of your hand on top of the strings close to the bridge here, so that you make that sound. But you see, he's just holding an F. Simple. The strings number 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, right? And then a melody line, and then you go back to C. And then that G, remember, also palm muting. And then melody line. But you shouldn't use a capo for this. You should use your fingers so that you can have more control with the muting. So it will be like something like this. understand, for you to learn and grasp everything, and for me to explain everything on one video is difficult. So if you want more private lessons, WhatsApp lessons, just put it down in the comments, and put a WhatsApp number on my bio there so that you could just check. And if you have an instrument, just send a WhatsApp and we can do lessons online, and you can learn better that way.